Hey guys, so I am at work right now. What the heck was that? Okay, so oh my god, do you guys see this little piece of hair? It's like going back. So I just got a notification on my phone from FedEx saying that my iPhone X has officially arrived, or iPhone 10, or however anyone is saying it now. So I'm going to head home right now and we're just gonna unbox this phone together. I'm super excited to get it. My phone that I'm working with right now is just completely shot. Like, I'm using it right now to like record myself, but I can't use, like, I can only use the front facing camera. Like, I can't use the back facing camera. So it's just like, it's just done. It's done. My screen is completely shattered. So to get a new phone, I'm just like super excited, and I'm gonna just show you guys in case you're thinking of getting it. I know there's probably a ton of videos on the unboxings of this phone, but we're just gonna add one more to the list. So I'll see you guys when I get to my house. You guys, we got a package picking up. So yeah, this was supposed to be here yesterday. I'm gonna cut myself, you guys. I shouldn't be allowed to handle scissors, actually. Okay, guys. All right, are you guys ready? I don't even think I'm ready. You guys, oh my god, I'm like shaky. I'm so excited. So I got the 256 gigabyte. And I love like Apple's boxes. Like, the way that they package things is just like, it's so sleek and clean. Like, yes. Okay. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? It's not even there. I thought it was gonna be like right there. Okay. You guys, oh my god, you can like see my phone right there. Inception. It just fell out. Fuck my life. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's kind of like heavy, actually. Look at how beautiful. Hold on. I got the silver. It looks more like white though. Or is that just me? I feel like that's not silver, which is good. Like, I kind of wanted white. I would have gotten pink, but they don't have that option in the iPhone X. So I got the white one. I want like to get the best angle. So it's like silver, like a silver trim, I guess you could say. And then like the back is just kind of like white. It matches my nails pretty cute, actually, not gonna lie. But yeah, oh my god, it's like, it's kind of heavy. Like, it feels heavier than the other phone. I'm gonna do, or like put a side-by-side comparison right now of like the phone I'm working with currently and then like this phone, so you can see the difference. I just wanted to show you guys really quickly what they look like right next to it. I'm already looking for the home button. Did you see that? Oh, turn on. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know how they look next to each other. You can tell this screen is clearly larger. And this screen is completely shattered, but it is what it is. And then in the box that the X came in, you just get like the normal stuff that Apple gives you. So you get like the headphones, and then on the back, it's the jack to like connect the like aux headphones with. And then you get a charger and then the wall plug-in. So pretty basic with that, nothing special, but the phone is definitely nice. I like how you can just like tap it and it turns on. So yeah. And then you also get like the regular Apple stickers that they send with their products. So funny little story. You know how like iPhones come with this plastic wrapping? Well, when I got this phone, oh my god. Sorry, I'm trying to tell you a story, but like, look at this screen though. Okay, you can't even see it. Hold on. Look at the amount of space on the screen. Okay, so back to my story. Like, you know how the iPhones come with this plastic wrap on them? Well, the phone I'm using right now, when I first got it, it had it on there, and I didn't want to take it off because I didn't want to like ruin the phone before I got a case on it. And I took it from Verizon, and I was like walking around. I had called, I forgot, I think it was like my grandma or something. I called someone and I couldn't hear them like on the other line. I was like, hello, hello, like they sounded so faint. And I got so irritated because the phone cost a lot. Like, iPhones are not cheap. So I like go back to Verizon, and I was like hella mad, and I was like, your phone doesn't work, give me another one, blah blah blah. And the guy turns around and goes, ma'am, you might want to take off the plastic. And I was like, oh, Alright guys, so I'm going to finish setting up the rest of this phone and I will see you guys later. If you like this video, I know it was really short, but I just wanted to, again, share this little moment with you guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button right under this video. I upload videos here every single Friday. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say, and until next time. Oh, also, I'm going to be uploading a what's in my car video because I asked you guys what you wanted to see, and that was one of the suggestions. So make sure you come back for that. I don't think I'll upload it Friday. I think I'm gonna get it up before that because I'm already working on it. So make sure you check back. And yeah, until I see you guys next time, I hope you're having a great day or a great night or whatever time of day it is that you're watching this, and I'll see you later.